We have the opportunity to stay in one of the most prestigious buildings in Siena, because there's no better way to complete the Siena experience than to stay in a piece of history. And you can too, because I'll link the Airbnb link below. So enough has been said, let's go check this place out. This apartment consists of 14 rooms, and 14 rooms, it's massive. It has walls fresco painted from the 1700s. It truly feels like you're staying the night in a museum. One thing to keep in mind is look at all the details within this room and look at the ceiling. Look how high the ceilings are within every single room. So let's leave the main entryway room and let's go check out the kitchen. Walking into this kitchen really feels like you step back in time because of the preserved cooking oven right behind me right here. Just take a look at that. Imagine in the 1700s cooking up some nice pasta. And the second centerpiece of this kitchen, look right here guys. Look at that view. Look at that view of Tuscany and Siena. Wow, it's just breathtaking. I don't think I'm ever gonna leave. So we have only seen 2 out of the 14 rooms, so let's go see the other 12. Now, nothing in this house is straight. I mean, look at the floors, look at the walls. I mean, look straight that way. Nothing is straight in this house, which adds to the character, because keep in mind, this was built in the 1500s. A family of linen cloth traders, the Penalini family, inherited this entire palace from the Azzoni family. So it has quite a bit of history within these walls. Now, follow me this way. I'm not sure how they would classify this room, but if I had to make a major guess, this would have been the main living space. The main living room, I mean, just how big it is, and look at the ceiling, guys. It's almost as if it's an optical illusion just by the walls. This whole night, I've been trying to figure out if there's actually trim along the ceiling and the walls. It's amazing. And just to think, this was painted back in the 1700s, almost 400 years ago, and it's still on the wall. I mean, when you have renters in your house back in America, they have to paint the walls every 2 years. So this is the main living space, amazing. Now those doors are locked, so I can't show you what's back there, guys. But follow me this way and I'll show you the main dining space. And just look at the frescoed walls and the ceilings. It truly looks like an optical illusion. This looks like a door. It looks like you could just go past these walls. Look over there, there's a ghost on the wall. I didn't notice that the first time. Every time you walk through here, you notice something a little bit different. So as we walk this way, we're gonna go to the master suite. So this is a seating area for the master suite, master bedroom. So follow me this way. This is the master bedroom. Now there's 2 hidden rooms in this area. I'll show you the first one. Well, that one, wait, hold on. There's actually newspaper. Wow, I don't know how old this newspaper is, but there's actually old newspaper on the brick itself. Wow, I didn't notice that the first time. I was gonna make a stupid joke about going into the door bricks, but that caught me off guard. I was not expecting that. And this is a little secret passageway we're gonna get to in a second. Now follow me this way. Now, there are 14 rooms in this palace apartment. Now, I'm not gonna show you every single room because they consist of just rooms with beds. So if you have a big family and you wanna come to Siena, I highly recommend booking this place because you can book up to 9 people. You could probably sleep a lot more. This is the master bedroom where we slept at just because you can walk out the windows and it gets very dark. And look at the ceilings. Every room is different. This has the most kind of like terracotta colors in it. And the other ones are more of a gray and gold. As you can see by the bed frame too, it matches the ceiling. All right, keep on following me this way. So this is another, I would say maybe this is a formal dining room, hallway. I am not exactly sure. And it actually has a piano. Not that I know how to play the piano. All right, so over here, like I said, another room. And we have 2 bathrooms this way. And this was actually the owner of the Airbnb's room when he was a child. Pretty interesting. This one's got a different fresco painting on the ceiling as well too. Feels like you're outside almost. Or the dentist's office, because I always put like skies for some reason on the ceilings. I have no idea why. Okay, I told you guys about a little hidden room upstairs. So why don't we go check it out? Because this is probably the cherry on top of this whole entire stay. you ready for this? I don't think you are. The rooftop terrace. So you get to fully see Siena with all its glory. Now come over here, and this is the best part of the Airbnb stay, is the view you get. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like, comment below, subscribe for more, and like I said, the link to this Airbnb is in the description below. If you find yourself coming to Siena, which I highly recommend, go ahead and stay here. Don't even look anywhere else. Stay here now. See you in the next one.